Hi, this is Jaimie from Double Helix Digitals. Today I'm answering our number one most frequently asked question, where are my files? If you've purchased a digital download from our Etsy shop and you can't find them, don't worry, I'm going to tell you exactly where they are. First, check your email. After you complete your purchase, Etsy sends an email with a download link. It usually arrives in just a few minutes. Make sure to check your spam folder if you don't see it in your inbox. But here's what a lot of people don't know. There's a universal magic link where your Etsy purchases are stored and you can access them anytime. Just go to etsy.com/your/purchases. That's etsy.com/your/purchases, and the link is in the description. Make sure you're signed into the account where you made the purchase and use a desktop computer, not a mobile. Once you're there, scroll through your order history to find your purchase from Double Helix Digitals. Next to each digital item, you'll see a download button. Click that and your files will download to your device. If you're still having trouble accessing your files, feel free to message us anytime through Etsy. We're happy to help you out. Thanks for supporting our small business and happy crafting.
Start over.
All right. Hi, this is Jaimie from Double Helix Digitals.
I'm just laughing at my chin holding it. I'm sorry.